Hey everybody, so my name is Connor, and I am a replacement of Eli, and Gary right here will tell you why.
So a few days ago, me and Eli has got into a big fight. So over kind of stale a brain out, because he got mad over a mythic lucky block that I have. Then he just said I wasn't a good friend and blah blah blah. So I didn't really care, so I just blocked him. And so let's just get into the video. So in today's video, it's not a Beyblade video.
So we've been hearing like strange things like in there, and before like 10 minutes ago we were just saying looking up there, and then we were confused like what the heck this was, and then me and Gary tried to solve some mysteries because we did see something. Gary said he saw a piece of skin, right Gary?
Yep.
All right.
Crazy.
All right guys, let's get into the video. Hold on, hold the phone. You hold the phone real quick.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see.
Give me the phone. Give me the phone.
Wait, what the heck was that thing back there?
Yo.
That thing? And just so you guys know, we're in our basement, so
Yeah.
comment down below what do you think it could be.
Yeah, I feel like I don't see anything right now.
Pass me your phone? Wait.
Go up a bit high.
Yeah, I'm gonna go like in
It's a
here.
bit zoomed in, so like you might have to zoom out a bit.
Oh. What is that stuff?
Yeah!
Do you guys see that, bro?
That looks like per bada beam.
per
No, it actually
bada beam.
No, it actually does. Look in there now. Look in
Doesn't
there.
it kind of look like a dead bird?
Now look in the next one.
Oh, that's just like
Yeah, we saw that earlier.
Yeah.
Now what about in here? I feel like I saw a hand. Yo, I actually saw a hand.
you wires, hangers.
All sorts of stuff.
Whoa. Oh. Just a bunch of like wires.
Yo, I
and stuff.
feel like I saw an eye.
Now back here.
There's nothing much everywhere.
Wait, what is that?
Oh, let's just go. Alright, now we're gonna check down there. Look down there to see if there's anything.
Yeah, let's see what's down here, guys.
You might have to zoom out a bit.
Yeah. Just. Oh my gosh.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Okay. Mario. What? Oh yeah, my sister is trying to call me, but she doesn't know that we're in a video right now. So I don't know why it says Mario, but yo. Okay, now we're zoomed out. We're zoomed out.
Gary.
Yeah.
Gary, go back there and start talking to it. And so like I think I need to be by myself for a little bit.
Hello.
Gary, you gonna go back there?
In there.
No, back. No, back.
All right.
Back there. All right, guys. So we're about to see if I see anything here. So wait for me. Let Gary come back. Here you go. Gary's gonna talk to you, but Gary, you have to see like that.
See what?
Yeah, I'm gonna see some stuff. I'm gonna see if there's anything in there.
Guys, look at this dude.
Yo, what the fuck right now? Yo, Gary, you're actually right. There's a. Yo, what the hell? I see something moving back there.
You?
Yeah, kind of. Yo, Gary, you're trying to kill me right now? Is this what the video's about right now?
Guys, we're on a treadmill right now, so.
Yeah,
And this basement is so dirty right now.
Bro, walls are falling out. It wasn't like this yesterday, right, Gary?
Yeah, it wasn't. We actually have a ceiling incident where our ceiling has a big crack in it.
And we don't know why. Then we started hearing like, get out. And it said, yo, what the?
What?
Yo, I actually see something black looking at me.
Actually? Wait, whoa, what do you mean by that?
Yo, get out! No. Yo, Gary, please go.
Yo, what the heck is that little thing?
What little thing?
That little gray thing.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like, I see something over there.
Oh.
Okay, so. Well, guys, we might, Wait, hold on. Oh, sorry. I don't know. We're, like, kind of confused. What are we, like, gonna do? So, yeah. Gary, do you want to do the job of it?
Looking in there?
No, we look at this.
Okay.
Dum-dum.
Hey, guys,
All right, so, guys.
since we did that, let's go order some KFC chicken. Just kidding.
Okay. All right, so, guys, it all started where I was deadlifting this, and then all of a sudden, me and Gary, like, we started to realize this thing right here was loose. And then we also began to really hear weird things. Like,
Yo, what the?
Whoa.
It's like lines of spider webs.
Yeah. Wait, actually?
Yeah.
Yo!
Pretty hard to see.
Gary,
Yeah.
tell me this.
What?
Come look. Was this here before? Wait, where is it?
The skinny dog. Yes.
Yo, Gary.
It's too zoomed in, kid.
Oh, there it is.
Now you can zoom.
Yo, what the? Yo, is that poop?
No, it's just a piece of wood.
It looks like shit. Wait, I thought.
Hold up. What's in there?
Yo, that looks like. Hold on, put the flashlight in. Dum-dum.
Okay.
Yo, I actually kind of saw something.
Same.
Okay, that poop.
Wait, I know. Wait, there's actually a little, not really that big of space. Very small. A little corner in here. And there's a literal flipping doll head in there.
Yo, actually. Yo! Gary, it was a lot. It was kind of like this 2 days ago, and we were confused. Like, what the hell? Oh my god. Oh, I just touched the cobweb. That's disgusting.
Water bottle.
Get out of here.
What's that? Is that? Yo. What is that?
It's an earth ball.
Oh. Is this a basketball?
Yo!
Basketball.
No. Get out. No. All right, so guys, we're starting to solve a bit of mystery. The hell? All right. Sorry about that, guys. So, just so you know, I might come over here sometimes. So we,
sometimes I might be making videos by myself. So
yeah, which it's fine without me as long as he finds out mysteries, right?
yeah.
All right, so what, Gary? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Wait, is this stapled?
Kind of.
Look in there.
Wait, we can use a chair.
Yo, this is actually nasty.
Also, guys, comment down below if you watch anime.
Yeah. Here's we have some anime. There's some lost heads right
Dad
here.
and Goku, bro.
Wait, what the hell? You saw something?
That good. It's a bunch of dirty stuff.
No, get out. Hold the camera.
But
All right, guys, get out.
yeah.
Okay. Yo, what the? Yo, there's so much stuff back here. Yo, why is there wood like that? Gary, look right down there. Hold up, come here. Look right down there.
Oh my gosh, I'm about to fall. Hold the camera.
Oh, and I'll show you after.
Oh,
Come over here. You see that wood, Gary?
yeah.
Hold on, wait, hold this for a second.
Oh.
Yo! Gary, hold this for a second. Gary, hold it.
All right.
Alright, now shine it over there. So, guys, this is kind of risky, but...
That wood. There's a bunch of wood.
Yeah, it's like, yo, there's a broken wire.
How did they make this house? Okay, we shouldn't be playing with this stuff because lift it too high.
Do you think we should just...
We don't want to explode like.
The house. Or like the electricity, so that we can die. Oh, my bad, guys. So, Gary, you can tell them, like, all about some things that you can probably do, Gary.
Okay, what do I do?
You can talk to them back there.
So,
Wait a minute.
so sometimes, guys, we might do little Beyblade videos, like maybe sometimes.
Gary.
Cause what,
Gary, come back here.
bro?
Gary, is this the TV you're talking about that we've been looking for, or no?
Hello, neighbor.
Okay.
Oh, how the? Yo, guys.
Yo, get out.
Yo, I was just about to
Okay, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. We might do some tomorrow. Goodbye.